And today I have a wig unit sent from Unice. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. So they sent over a Blendaway wig, and if you guys aren't familiar, it's pretty much their upgraded 100% glueless wig units. So let's go ahead and jump right into this hair unboxing. Their branding is pink, of course. They sent over a satin robe, a baby hair wrap, along with some pressed on nails, and also 2 HD wig caps. So I'm not really a beginner. You guys know I don't really use a lot of the stuff that comes in the packagings, but you could definitely get a use of it if you are a beginner. So let's go ahead and get into the inside of this wig cap. As you guys could see, this one has an elastic band that is removable, and there's also a comb in the back. I don't believe there was any combs on the sides, and yeah, I didn't put combs in on the side, so it must be wasn't any combs. So as for the specs, again, this is a Blendaway wig unit in 26 inches. She does have the body wave texture, and this is a 5x5 HD lace closure in the 180% density. So I'm glad they sent over 180% density, because my last couple of hair reviews, my wigs were like 150%, and they were like just too thin for me. But you know, I review because I know there are some people who like the thinner density wig units and don't really like a lot of hair. So as for the extra specs of the hair, this wig unit does come with a zigzag shape pre-cut hairline. She's also pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached. The knots are pre-bleached, you guys. Very, very, very small knots. This is also, again, a 100% glueless wig unit, and it's just pre-everything. So if you guys are into glueless wig units and you don't like to sleep in your wig units, or you're either super lazy or whatever the case may be, this wig unit would definitely be for you. I actually like the upgraded Blendaway wig units better, simply because they just fit better on my head. And also, you guys know, again, I always say this in all my hair videos recently, that if I can't do the ear tuck comfortably, then you know, we don't really have a glueless wig. A really good one. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys the parting space here. As you guys could see, this is as far back as, or as deep as you can part this hair on the side, or you'll be, you know, digging into the tracks. So I just wanted to make sure I showed you guys the side part. However, I'm keeping the middle part today, and I'm just focusing on what was given to me already, just to show you guys like how quick and easy this could be. Again, this hair video could have been literally 2 minutes, you know, but because it's a hair review, I had to draw out as long as I possibly could. Very straight to the point. All you really have to do is put this wig unit on and flatten it out at the top and pull out the curls. You don't even need a comb. Okay, I was like finger combing this hair. But I do want to point out with this wig unit, it's very important that you flatten out the top, you guys, because it can look a little humpy. And also, as you guys see, I did go in with my comb to make the part even deeper. However, when you do make the part deeper, it does get denser in the back, and I did not go in to do any extra pluckings or anything like that. But you can definitely do that to like widen your part, as you could see. I felt like they should have like taken it all the way back. I don't know why they didn't do that. Because you can get a really decent deep part with this wig unit. So the parting was all the way back to like the top of my head, you guys. So it's very, 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 very deep parting space. You just don't really get a lot of parting on the side, because again, this is a 5x5 HD lace closure. So I'm just going in and doing my finger combing, and beautiful curls came with this wig unit. You do not need to put heat to this hair at all. I didn't, and I actually really love the look. you can definitely put some layers in it and things of that such. But other than that, you guys, this was actually a really good wig, silky soft, and I really like it. So if you guys are looking for really good glueless wig units that are upgraded, okay, you guys should definitely try out the Blendaway wigs, because they are the best ones at this moment when it comes to like upgraded glueless wig units. So it's like this brand, the Blendaway brand, there's like another company as well that have really good glueless wig units. So make sure you guys check this one out. I'm just going to go ahead and let this hair video play out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.